All right.
So we just finished Manaslu trekking.
Yeah,
We are
was
about
great.
to eat our last dalbat of the adventure.
Yeah, 14 days dalbat. It's the best food we recommend. Fuels you,
Give you
big
some
energy.
power.
So yeah, trekking was awesome. Ammonite Adventure, Krishna organized everything. It was great. We were
We have the best guide
the best guide
in the whole circuit in all Nepal.
in all Nepal.
Yeah.
Rajendra, Banjara, the best,
Big
best
up.
ever.
We will never
Funny,
forget.
funny,
Interesting.
positive. I mean, what could you ask
You can
more?
ask him everything about Nepal. He knows.
Yeah, he
knows.
gave us one history lesson per day. Now we can have an exam. We know everything about
We are
Nepal.
expert about Nepal.
So yeah, the trek also was actually amazing. Like
Very
one of the
nice nature.
very nice scenery. You see jungle, forest, mountain, rock. We see tons of animals.
We cry on the top. Very lot of emotions.
Yeah, to reach 5,000 meters for us, it was our first trek actually.
Yeah.
So we recommend Manaslu trekking.
It cured this fear of void.
I cure my
of
field
high.
of vertigo. So one serious thing, if you have vertigo, just be ready because you're gonna walk through very difficult places. You have tons of bridges, so suspension bridges, little narrow places with cliffs and stuff.
But
It's gonna be okay.
You will be rewarded
Because, yeah.
because it's so nice. You see a lot of animals, monkey, goat. What do we say? Marmot also.
And also, if I did it, you can too because
You
I'm
eat
just
well. You eat well.
just
You
nobody.
have very nice hotels. So don't hesitate and go to Manaslu Circuit.
Okay.